Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Easter. Happy Sunday. Please don't mind my voice. I just woke up not quite long. So, guys, since I won't be doing a weekly vlog for this week, I decided to do a get ready with me to church. Yes, so right now I woke up not quite long, like I said. So I'm going to take my bath right now and then come out, dress and style my hair. And then we go to church. I have a very little time to do all of this, but I'm going to try my best to be fast. So if this is the first time seeing this face, I am Alice and you're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys already know you guys are the best. So let us do this get ready with me thing, okay? So guys, this is what I use for my skin. I use Vaseline if my shea butter or carrot oil is not available, while the coconut oil I use it for my face alone because my face reacts to my carrot oil. Or I heard that acne prone skin is not nice to use Vaseline for it. That's why I don't use the Vaseline on my face. So I just use the Vaseline, shea butter and carrot oil on my skin, while the coconut oil for my face alone. So guys, this hairstyle I'm going to be making was inspired by Adanna Madueke. I don't know if you guys know her. She's a very popular YouTuber here. So in case you don't know her, you can go and check Adanna Madueke here on YouTube, and trust me, you're going to like the content that she gives out. So it was inspired by her, and this Sunday I decided to just style my hair and do that exact style. But guys, unfortunately for me, I thought I had pin. I mean, I have bobby pins in my place, but I couldn't find the pin while I was making this hair. So I had to improvise, and I had to change the style. Not like change it, but then I just had to improvise because there was no pin for me. Because the style she made, she used pin for this particular style. She used pin for it, but then I had no pin, so I had to improvise, and you guys are definitely going to see how I improvised it. So this is just me packing the hair at the back for the style that we are going to be creating. So just keep on watching, okay? And if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and give the video a big thumbs up if you like it, okay? I just started using this hair serum and it has been giving me a whole lot of joy lately. Like the feeling it gives my hair, oh my god, I can't believe I've not used this for a very long time since I started my hair care journey, because this hair serum is really doing great to my hair. The feeling it gives my hair, oh god, it's on another level. So this video is actually really detailed. This is just me parting the front into three. The side, I'll do the same thing at the other side of the hair, just to give you some kind of stylish parting at the front when I'm going to take it to the back. Well, I don't know how to explain properly, but the video gives total detail of what I will be doing here. So this part is where I said I needed pin, because she used pin to crisscross the spats. She crisscrossed the hair and then pin it down, but because I couldn't find my bobby pin, and at the time I was making this style and I needed to go to church on time, so I had to just improvise. So I just cornrowed that part. So that is where we needed pin, but pin was not available, and we decided to just spice things up and improvise with our hair. And yeah, that's what I did. I just cornrowed it, the three parting, I just cornrowed it, so you can see what it's giving at the front. You can see that line that is giving at the front there. I mean, you people will see it for sure. I don't even know what kind of voiceover is this today. Hey, look at the line I'm talking about. That's the kind of style, to just make that side give you some kind of pattern.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So at this point, you are going to add the front, the one you weave to the back, and twist it. Either you make it a crisscross or you do this method that I'm doing. Whichever one is actually going to come out really nice. So you do a loose twist at the back because you want to have a puff. You want to have a little puff at the back so that it will not just look so small. So just make sure the twist is really loose so that it will give you a big puff. And this is what it looks like. So because there was no pin available still, I would have I was supposed to use a pin to hold it down so that it doesn't lose, but because no pin, I decided to use this my crunchy bonnet. What did I just say? I decided to use my hairband though to hold it so that it do not lose. I beg, I don't know what I did talk. So at this front, I don't know what I was doing because I was just thinking, because there was no pin, and I already pictured how I was going to do the style she made though with pin, only for me to not see pin. So I was just thinking of what to do since I don't have a pin, and I was just doing I don't know what they call assay. I don't know. I think we were called assay rubbish. I didn't know what I was doing here. I was just trying to do something that I won't need pin, but you guys can see that this is actually not well. Well, look at what this guy is doing. Well, I discovered that this cannot actually stay. I needed pin, so the thing was not working, and I just need to go and search again, and I found one pin. Thank God I found a pin, and I just thought of let me just flat twist the front and then hold it down with just this one pin that I found. And trust me guys, the result came out really nice. Really nice. I mean, like, oh my god. And then after pinning it down, I decided to accessorize it. This actually, I learned this from that lady, that the Adanna I talked about. If you guys watch her videos a lot, I'm so used to her videos and hearing her accessorizing the hair and all that. So I decided to accessorize the hair so that it's gonna look spiced. It's gonna be spiced up. I mean, like, honestly guys, I really don't know what kind of voiceover this is, but you guys are just going to accept it like that, okay?
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Now look at the result. Like, oh my days, this hair is giving, like, oh my god. So next is the dressing that I'm going to be using to church. So this is what I'll be using. It's a 2 pieces cloth. So I was thinking of wearing heels or flat, but I decided to go with the flat and with the heels rather. And this is what baby girl is wearing to church. Like, this thing is giving rich auntie vibe, even though I don't have more than 200 naira in the bag. But yes, you don't have to look the way you don't have to look like what you're going through. I mean, you know what it means. Guys, I really love this hairstyle. Very simple. You can achieve this in less than 10 minutes. In less than 10 minutes, and yeah, you'll be good to go to wherever you want to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you like the hairstyle, if you're going to be trying it. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.